Good morning. Here Dr. Shabina Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities from RNTU, Bhopal. My topic is nature, process and importance of communication. In society, human beings share their ideas, views, emotions, facts and figures with individuals as well as groups and at all levels of organization, at higher, lower or equal. Communication is one of the most important activities among all the activities because it has helped us to organize ourselves as a cultured society. In cultured society, there are so many things which has to be developed, like every communication is given by them are well defined. The better role to play this communication is through communication. To share this communication with well defined culture and aspects of life, we have to follow the role of relationships. When we are able to understand and communicate these role relationships, we can communicate successfully. Communication is essentially an ability to make contact of one person to another and to make himself or herself understood. Next, definition of communication. Communication is the process by which different creatures convey and give response to them. When we communicate properly, the feelings, emotions, what we are going to give in front of others will be understood by them. The talks among human beings, the singing and chirping of birds, every sound, music that our ears hear all comes under communication process. Next, coming to meaning of communication. Communication is derived from the Latin word communicare, which means common. It is basically the transference of ideas, emotions, facts and figures between individuals. The next is effective communication. Effective communication is one of the most important ingredient of communication. Without effective communication, it is very difficult to work in an organization. The organization cannot run without effective communication. Next is basic features of communication. Firstly, it is an ongoing process. When communication is absent, every human activity ceases to exist. Secondly, it is two-way process. Communication, when it is not necessary that it is only to be sent, but the message is also to be received and understood by the receiver. Third is it is essential in all types of organization as well as at all levels of management. It is result oriented. And the last is proper encoding and decoding is one of the important feature of communication. Next, coming to process of communication. First, we will deal with sender. Sender is a person. The communication process starts with sender. It is also known as encoder of the message. Second, message, the physical form of an idea or information which has to be sent by the receiver. Third is channel. The method used to communicate the message is sender. And the next is encoding, putting the meaning of the message into appropriate words. Next is decoding, attaching meaning to the words. Next is, and the last one is the feedback. It is the reversal of communication process in which the receiver gives his response given by the sender. And the last one is effective communication. It is one of the important ingredient of communication. It is very difficult to run an organization without an effective communication. Thank you.